Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. Okay, so let's begin. But before we start, let's open up our settings and let's make sure that in here as we scroll down and when we click on the Google, that we are logged into the same Google account on which we made the backup before. It is really important because otherwise there's a chance that we won't be able to restore our chats. So we need to have that in mind. And now we need to open up our WhatsApp. I just downloaded it to show you the whole process. Now select your language, then click on this green button. In here again select your language, click on agree, in here click on allow, and now we need to type our phone number, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So just give me a second and I'll verify my phone number. Alright, I just verified my phone number and that's the thing that appeared right now on the screen. Now we need to click on continue. Now let's click on allow, allow, and allow. And now, as you can see, we have option to restore our chats. Below we have also the date on which the last backup was made. Below it, we can see its size and the account on which we made that backup. And as you can see, it's the same Google account that I was showing you before in the beginning of this video. Also, if you don't restore your chats right now, there is a chance that you won't be able to do it later, so you should do this right now. Simply click on the restore button. Now the process will start. In my case, it's not going to take long because I don't have that many messages. Alright, restore complete, 13 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Now let's click on next. Under the profile info, we can type our name and we can also change our profile photo. If you are interested, simply click on that green button. Now click on next. You can add email to protect your account, it's up to you. In my case, I'll skip it. And now, as you take a look, all of the messages, including videos and the photos, has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.